welcome back to the channel Mathematics World. In the last video we have learned division algorithm. Now let me quickly revise that. What is the statement of division algorithm? For any A and B, for any A and B, there exists a unique integer Q and R such that A is equal to BQ plus R. This is the statement, and here R is between 0 and B. So as I told you in that video, the next video will be on example based on division algorithm. So here I am with some examples based on that. So our first example is prove that the square of any integer leaves the remainder 0 and 1 when divided by 4. So first let us understand the meaning of the statement. The square of integer means, suppose we take 3 as an integer and we square it, we get 9. So that leaves remainder 0 and 1 when divided by 4. So if I divided 9 by 4, then I get remainder as 1. So in this example, the condition, that is 1 is a remainder, is satisfied. So let us take another example in which we get remainder as 0. Suppose I took 4. So the square of 4 is 16. Okay, and if I divided 16 by 4, then I'll get remainder as 0. So here also the condition which we have, that is remainder is 0 and 1, is satisfied. So this is basically our statement meaning. Now the big question is how to write this in mathematical form. Let us first see what all number we should take. Okay, so they have given us 4. The number is divided by 4. So first we take 4k. Why 4k? Because 4k is in 4k means multiple of 4. You remember division algorithm, we took there an infinite series which is multiple of d. Similarly here we take multiple of 4. From 4k we get the number which are multiple of 4. What about other numbers? Okay, so for that we write 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2 and 4k plus 3. We didn't write 4k plus 4 because this is again a multiple of 4k. So we take 4k, so we didn't write this. So now we write the proof. Let n be an integer. Let n be an integer and n is of the form 4k, 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2 and 4k plus 3. Okay, if we divide n by 4, then k is our quotient. If you see here the quotient is our 4, and in this example our quotient is 2. Okay, and 0 or 1 is our remainder. Okay, so if I take n square, then our first number is 4k. So we write 4k square is equal to 4 times 4k square. We didn't write 16 because the number is multiple of 4. That's why we write 4 and the multiple. Here the kth value is 4k square. Similarly, n square for 4k plus 1. So here what we get, suppose we square 16k square plus 8k plus 2 is equal to, suppose from here I took 4 common, so I get 4k square plus 2k, sorry, here we have 1 plus 1. Similarly, n square is equal to 4k plus 2 square is equal to 4, 2k plus 1 square plus 0. Here also we have plus 0, and for n square is equal to 4k plus 3 square is equal to 4k square plus 6k plus 2 plus 1. Okay, if you see here, the remainder which we have is 0 and 1. Okay, therefore we write n square leaves remainder 0 or 1 when divided by 4. Okay, this is what we have to prove, hence proved. Okay, I hope you understand this. Again I will explain. Our question is, prove that the square of any integer leaves remainder 0 and 1 when divided by 4. So for that, how we write, let n be an integer and n is of the form 4k, 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2 and 4k plus 3. Okay, if we divide n by 4, this n by 4, then k is our quotient, this k is our quotient, and 0 or 1 is our remainder, as we saw in the example. Now we square n, and the value of n is 4k, 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2 and 4k plus 3. So from that we square this and we take 4 common in every step, so we get these values, and the remainder we get is 0 and 1. So therefore n square leaves remainder 0 or 1 when divided by 4. Hence here we have another example. The expression a into a square plus 2 upon 3 is an integer for all a greater than equal to b 1. Okay, so here we have to show this is integer by using division algorithm. So let's start. In the last expression we take n is an integer, so here the integer is our a, so let a is an integer by division algorithm. A is of the form, what you can say about this, a is of the form, here we have 3, So our a is in the form of 3 into something. Okay, so we write here 3k plus 1, 3k plus 2. We didn't write 3k plus 3 because again this is multiple of 3k, so we don't have to write this. Okay, so if now we write similar way that we write in this example, that is we take n square 4k square. Okay, so here we write if a is equal to 3k, then a into a square plus 2 upon 3 is equal to a is 3k. So we write here 3k square plus 2 upon 3. So we get the 3k square means 3 square is 9 and k square plus 2 upon 3. So we cancel it out, we get 9k square plus 2 into k. Okay, if a equal to 3k plus 1, then a square plus 2 upon 3 is equal to 3k plus 1 square plus 2 upon 3. Okay, so which is equal to 3k plus 1 into 3k plus 1 square means 9k square plus 3 2s are 6, 6k plus 1 plus 2 upon 3, which is equal to 3k plus 1. From this we take 3 common, so we write 3k square plus 2k plus 1, because 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 is taken outside, so here we get 1 upon 3, which is equal to 3 get cancelled, 3k plus 1 into 3k square plus 2k plus 1. If a equal to 3k plus 2, then a square plus 2 upon 3 becomes 3k plus 2, 3 into 3k plus 2 square plus 2 upon 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 2 square plus 2 upon 3, which is equal to 3k plus 2. 3k plus 2 square means 9k square plus 12k plus 4 plus 2 upon 3. So here we take again 3 common, so we get 3k square plus 4k plus 2 upon 3. Again we cancel 3 and we get 3k plus 2, 3k square plus 4k plus 2. By putting the values of a is equal to 3k plus 1, 3k plus 2, we get a into a square plus 2 upon 3 is an integer. Okay, so that's we have to prove. So guys, we solved the 2 examples in this video. I gave you one example which you can solve it by yourself. Okay, example, you have to show that cube of any integer is of the form 7k or 7k plus or minus 1. Okay, this is the question you have to solve. As we solved the previous example, similar way you have to solve this. Okay, I'll leave it for you guys to solve. That's it for today's video. I hope you understand these examples and try to find the solution which I gave you as an exercise. See you in the next video. Then take care and bye bye.